Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to set a password on Windows 11, although we cannot set a password on apps using a Google Chrome extension. Here's another way to do it. Search for OhSoft on Google and click on Secret Folder, free download. Click here and click on Secret Folder, download. Choose your desired folder and save. Once installed, open it. After done, you'll be prompted to enter a new password. Click OK, and you will see different pop UPS. And now just open Secret Folder. Click on Add and add any apps or website that you want. For example, let's say I want to hide Counter-Strike. Just click on it and the app won't open, which means we have successfully set a password. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial videos.